I'm going to show you that beef casserole doesn't have to be something that's just for the winter months. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I'm lifting this traditional winter comfort food and adding fresh flavours and crunch for a fantastic summer dinner. We're going to start by preheating the oven to 160°C or 325°F. This is all cooked in one pan. I'm using a large cast iron casserole pan here, but you can use any heavy based pan with a lid that can go in the oven. And we place the pan over a medium to high heat on the hob and then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Now for the beef, I've got 600 grams or 1 1/3 pounds of braising beef that's been chopped into large chunks. Add 2 tablespoons of plain all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Give that a good mix to fully coat the beef. Then add the beef to the pan. Brown the meat all over, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Once the beef is browned, add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. Give it a stir and cook for a further minute. Next in goes 330ml or 1 1/3 cups of stout. I'm using Guinness, but any other dark ale will be fine. Now add 360ml or 1 1/2 cups of beef stock. Give everything a stir and bring it to the boil. Place the lid on the pan and place in the oven and cook for 3 hours. Check it every hour and top up with a splash of water if needed. After 3 hours, we're going to add in some fresh flavours with a couple of peppers and a courgette. We're just going to chop them up roughly and throw them in the pan with the beef. Place the lid back on and place back in the oven for 5 minutes. This should ensure the veg stays lovely and crunchy but is warmed through. Then take out of the oven and you're ready to serve. I'm serving this with some couscous, some thinly sliced red onion, chopped fresh parsley and a sprinkle of grated parmesan. And that's my delicious summer beef casserole. If you like this, why not check out this playlist for more tasty stews and casseroles. See you next time.